Welcome to the top picks. The best drill brush is probably one of the most revolutionary cleaning tools you didn't know you needed, transforming tedious scrubbing tasks into effortless chores with the power of your cordless drill, making grime, dirt, and soap scum vanish in a fraction of the time, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean and saving your arms from endless fatigue. Truly a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Number 5. Drillbrush Power Scrubber Kit. Say goodbye to strenuous hand scrubbing. This innovative kit transforms your cordless drill into a powerful scrubber, drastically cutting your cleaning time. It's easy to install and perfect for anyone seeking a faster, more efficient clean. Designed with medium stiffness nylon bristles, it powers through tough grime on tubs, tiles, and sinks. You'll achieve a sparkling clean in your bathroom, kitchen, or garage, all without scratching delicate surfaces. Each brush in this set is engineered for longevity, crafted from durable, high-quality materials. They are designed to withstand countless tough cleaning sessions, ensuring reliable performance every time. After use, these brushes rinse off effortlessly, making post-job cleanup a breeze. Simply store them away without any mess or stress, replacing grimy sponges with a cleaner, easier solution. Born from a real need and refined through feedback, these products are proudly made by cleaning enthusiasts. With millions sold, they reflect a commitment to quality, innovation, and user satisfaction. What we like. This set is specifically designed for bathroom cleaning, making tough grime on tubs and tiles disappear effortlessly. Its medium stiffness nylon bristles ensure effective cleaning without scratching delicate surfaces. If you're looking for a dedicated solution to keep your bathroom sparkling and save time, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Number 4. Drillbrush Power Scrubber Attachment Set. Tired of scrubbing by hand? This set transforms your cordless drill into a powerful scrubber. It cuts cleaning time in half and is easy to install with its quick change shaft. Featuring 3 different stiffness nylon brushes, it tackles tough grime on various surfaces. From tubs to car interiors, it delivers sparkling clean results. This kit is perfect for homeowners and professionals. Each brush in this set is crafted from durable, high-quality materials for longevity. They are designed to withstand countless tough cleaning sessions. With various sizes and shapes, they tackle all areas of your home. Post-job cleanup is a breeze as these brushes rinse off easily. Use them on various surfaces like bathtubs and grout lines, then store them without mess. Say goodbye to grimy sponges and hello to an easier solution. Born from a real need, these products are made by cleaning enthusiasts. With millions sold, they reflect a commitment to quality and innovation. Experience the difference with this trusted brand. What we like. This versatile set comes with 3 different stiffness levels, allowing it to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. From bathroom tiles to car interiors and carpets, it offers comprehensive cleaning power for almost any surface. If you need an all-in-one solution for both household chores and auto detailing, this set provides unmatched flexibility. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Holikme 33-piece Power Scrubber Drill Brush Set. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. This innovative set transforms your drill into a powerful cleaning tool, making household chores a breeze. It's designed to tackle even the most stubborn grime with ease. This comprehensive 33-piece kit includes a variety of brushes, scouring pads, and sponges. You'll have everything you need for a sparkling clean home, from bathroom to kitchen. With 10 unique brush shapes, it effortlessly cleans grout, tiles, bathtubs, and even carpets. Its gentle nylon bristles ensure no scratches, protecting your delicate surfaces. The included scouring pads, wool pads, and scrub sponges are perfect for your kitchen. Use them to restore shine to ovens, stovetops, sinks, and even cast iron skillets. Don't let tight spaces defeat you. Its extended long-reach attachment helps you clean difficult areas like stove grates and car crevices, ensuring no spot is missed. Simply attach it to your cordless drill or impact driver for a powerful clean. This set helps you get stubborn jobs done quicker and achieve a deeper, more satisfying result. What we like. This extensive 33-piece set goes beyond just brushes, including various scouring pads and sponges for diverse cleaning needs. It also features an extended long-reach attachment, making it easy to clean tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. If you want a complete cleaning arsenal with tools for every nook and cranny, this comprehensive kit is an excellent value. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. Drillbrush Power Scrubber Brush Set. Tired of scrubbing by hand? This innovative set transforms your drill into a powerful cleaning tool. It makes tough cleaning jobs quick and easy. It includes 4 pieces with soft, medium, and stiff bristles. These different brushes are designed to tackle various surfaces and grime levels. Say goodbye to stubborn soap, scum and grime in your bathroom. Use them to effortlessly clean showers, tubs, and sinks. Bring back the shine to your tiles and grout lines. These brushes reach deep into crevices, lifting dirt and stains with ease. Even carpets can benefit from its scrubbing power. It helps to loosen dirt and refresh your floor coverings. Stop wasting hours on manual scrubbing. This set saves you time and effort, delivering professional cleaning results every time. What we like. This 4-piece set offers a balanced selection of soft, medium, and stiff brushes, perfect for tackling different surface types. The 4-inch size provides a good balance of coverage and maneuverability for various cleaning jobs. If you prefer a focused, high-quality set that covers all common cleaning needs without overwhelming you with too many pieces, this is a solid choice. What people say. Number 1. Useful Products Drillbrush Ultra Stiff 5-Piece Power Scrubber Kit. This updated kit includes our newest brushes along with some classics, designed to help you tackle any cleaning task. It's the perfect addition for all your backyard accessories and household needs. Get professional results right at home with this powerful cleaning brush kit. Start saving time and effort with these drill-powered attachments, making tough jobs easier than ever. These ultra-stiff nylon scrub brushes are designed to tackle tough jobs. They effortlessly remove oil stains, maintain brick and mortar, and even handle rust and paint removal. This multi-purpose outdoor cleaning brush kit includes 5 brushes in varying sizes. They ensure you have the right tools for hard-to-clean surfaces like grill grates, furnaces, and ovens. Many professionals, from chefs to mechanics, rely on this kit for their cleaning needs. It can substitute for concrete or grill cleaners, delivering an industrial-level clean. Be at ease when you choose a genuine product. It comes with superior support and durability, backed by a 90-day no-questions-asked return window for your complete satisfaction. What we like. This 5-piece set features ultra-stiff black nylon bristles, specifically designed for the toughest cleaning challenges. It excels at heavy-duty tasks like grill grate cleaning, rust removal, and even concrete maintenance. If you need serious scrubbing power for outdoor, industrial, or extremely stubborn grime, this robust kit is built to perform. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, therefore no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.